Hello again everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we will start to learn the recording process. We will start with the journal entries, which is the first step in the recording of the business transactions in the accounting books. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. First, what are the basic steps of the recording process? The first step is to analyze each transaction to know its effect on the accounts. We do this by analyzing the business documents like checks, pay slips, and so on to determine the transaction's effect on a specific account. The second step is to record these transactions in the journal. The third step is to transfer the journal information to the appropriate account in the ledger. Now, let's know more about the journal. The journal is also known as the Book of Original Entry. It's called with that name because the transactions taking place in a business are recorded for the first time in it. The journal shows the debit and credit effects on particular accounts. The transactions in the journal are recorded in chronological order, which means the order in which they happen. There are several kinds of journals, but the most basic form of a journal is the general journal. When we entering transactions in the journal, then we are journalizing. A complete entry in the journal must include the date of the transactions, the accounts, the amount to be debited or credited, and finally, a brief explanation of the transaction. Okay, now let's have two examples and then see how they are recorded in the journal. In example 1, we have 20,000 US dollar invested by the owner of P Scheme Company on June 1. The amount was paid by the owner in cash. Accordingly, cash increased by 20,000 US dollar and the owner's capital increased by the same amount. So we have 20,000 US dollar increase in both sides of the accounting equation. In example 2, we have a laptop that was purchased by B Scheme Company for 5,000 US dollars. The amount was paid in cash. This means that B Scheme Company cash decreased by 5,000 US dollars and the equipment increased by 5,000 US dollars, which is the value of the laptop. Both cash and equipment are asset accounts, so they appear on the left-hand side of the accounting equation. This is what the journal looks like using the two examples that we had before. Here we enter the date of the transaction. Here we enter the debit account title. Here we enter the debit account amount. Here we enter the credit account title. Here we enter the credit account amount. And here we write a brief explanation of the transactions. And of course, the same applies for the second example. The column ref, which stands for reference, is left blank when the journal entry is made. It will be used later when the journal entries are transferred to the ledger accounts. Like what we do in all our lessons, please take a short break and come back to solve this example. You should prepare a journal entry for these three transactions. Please write your answer in the comments of this video. And feel free to ask me any question in the comment, and I will reply as soon as possible. Good luck! That's all for today. Congratulations on finishing this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye bye.